Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Gonna take the Fireteam out for a little run. I got the GPS in there, and I still got the 1250 kV motor with a 23 tooth pinion, stock spur, stock ESC, so it's just a 6S ESC. Yeah, let's see, we got the GPS is reading. Let's do a track and start, stop, read. It's not a big deal. I just want to get see what it's going. So I got the tracking and testing. So let's get this bad boy on. And my little spot is overgrown and I didn't feel like driving too far, so I'm just going to do some street rips here. Just a little street bashing with this and just to get some test, see how fast we can get going. Little speed runs, maybe do a temperature test. I did bring my temperature gun, so there we go. Fireteam. She's a blast, guys. Oh yeah, that was full trigger. That was close to full trigger anyways, if it wasn't. Let's see what she said. Let's see what it's doing. I'm just curious. I'm thinking at least 50, huh? What do you think? Let me know what you think. Let's see. Stop. Read. 58 miles an hour. Yeah. That thing's a beast. Track. Start. Let's see if we can get it to do 60. Ah, thing's a blast in the dirt right there, huh? Oh! I don't want to blow the tires up. You can see one tire's lifting as it's going by. A little dirt in the street. Oh yeah, let's see, stop, read, 57. All right, we're good with that. So around 57 miles an hour. I think that's a good speed, guys. I could probably go up one more tooth at least with a little bit of filing on the motor mount. But I think this is I don't know. Oh, there's the curb. Let's just try to run her back and forth a little bit here and see if we can get some heat on it and see what kind of temperatures we're going to get here. Like if we were bashing in the dirt. Yeah, my little spot's a little overgrown, plus there's people at there's people in the office there, so where I go. And I don't know if I'm supposed to be in there or not, but usually there's nobody there. Today somebody's there at the, it's like a hangar is what it is for the airport. Little office building hangar slash type thing. I love this. It's sliding around on the asphalt like that because it's so rocky and dirty over here. Oh, curb again. man, that was my foot. Oh, that's a good thing I got steel toes on, guys. That actually hurt my toes. Man, that just slid right into me, out of control. That was crazy. Woohoo! This is a good little spot. Nice, it's nice and dirty and rocky over here, right in this corner. I never came out in the street here. It's that time of day where everybody's using all the parks and all that stuff, so I don't have much next to the house. One day I'll have to pay to we are known for our motorcycle park. It's only $5 to get in there. The weekend's always so busy with motorcycles though, so hopefully you guys can hear me with all this wind. But it's so busy with motorcycles on the weekends, it's tough to get in there with you know, and play with the RC cars. Oh, good thing this thing just climbs over the curbs. So, but we'll see. Maybe get off early one day, because then it's only a couple bucks to get in. So, I didn't start it, but let's see what the temps are, guys. I'm running that for, I don't know, good. Let's see, good 8 minutes or so. There's all sorts of rocks in there. So get the temp gun out. Did bring a couple other cars. Don't know if I'll get to them today or not. So it's 64 degrees, 65 degrees on the back of my car. 112 is what it hit. 102. 117 is the highest. Right there, hopefully you guys can see that. ESC. 99 was the highest. 100, 102. Battery, it's a 52 milliamp power hobby. I think it's only a 50C. Yeah, we're good, guys. We're 106. Let's see what the gears are. 90. Yeah, this is perfect. Got a little fan on there. Probably do a little bit better fan, but right now that thing's perfect. It's take the GPS off so we don't lose it. So I'm gonna call it here, guys, on this one. I'll probably put it in storage mode for me, so that'd be perfect for me to store it. Yeah, Fireteam, guys, awesome. we're gonna leave it like this and hopefully find a place to bash a little better than what I've been doing. So get some jumps in it or something like that. But I'm gonna take it apart, I think, and go through the bearings. That's why people have been burning up the inside bearings. They don't take them apart and re-oil them. You gotta put oil in your bearings, guys. They'll seize up on you and then burn up and fall apart. These are all, I think I changed one when I first started, and then I left all the rest stock to see, and they're all working fine. So, and you see, it's not the cleanest truck in the world, so I don't know. So, but thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a good day.